What's up everybody, this is Dwaine Woolley. I've been on many adventures here in the island of Leyte, Philippines, mainly visiting the big tourist attractions here. But this time, I'm going to a place that not many people know about. Located in the town of Carigara, hidden deep in the jungle.
Hey everyone, my name is Dwaine Woolley and welcome to my YouTube channel. Isa akong Australiano na may pusong Pinoy.
To get there, we need to drive for about an hour inland from Carigara Bay until we reach Barangay San Isidro. Hello, Nay. We're driving up to the highest mountain in Carigara, and then from there we're going to make our way to the secret spot in the forest. Amo ini ang peak ng Carigara, ang pinakahataas na lugar ng Carigara. May da agila dida, mag-istorya ako iya kay maram akong yakanin agila. Kita Hala. Nagbaton hiyo. Amo ni Himana Mildred, yan Vice Mayor ng Carigara.
Elect.
Hindi ka na ugoy, mana?
Opo.
Sa imo ginugyan. Yan na, magkato kami dito ubos. Dito may salog. Kita ka mo?
Ano po?
Arayo. Hala, may engkanto dito. Waray ba NPA din hisyanta? This track was built by the people that live here and it leads straight down to the secret river. Magkarat hisyanta ha bukid. Ita ka bukid man ito. People say that there are monkeys in this jungle. We didn't find any monkeys, but we did discover something else. Hala, may gagamba. Weird and conhugisan spider. What kind of spider is that? I'm calling it the woolly spider. I discovered it. Shout out. I can hear it. Hala. Can you see it, Shanta? I can see it. There it is, the hidden river. The name of the river is Mulaog River. Try googling that. I bet you'll find nothing. This is a secret spot. There's only one thing I know about this place.
Amo ini ang tubig na magkanto dito sa Carigara. Amo ini ang source. So dito may dito filter dito. So mag-agi ang tubig ay filter para maging mas malimpyo hiya. So bawal mag-ihi din ni. Amo ini ang kinabuhi ng Carigara.
This river is the perfect place to come and just relax, reflect on life, get some inspiration. Musa Indoro and Mulaog River. Another hidden treasure of Leyte is a place near San Isidro called Hilugtugan. Just kilometers of soft green grass and small hills, anyone's dream backyard. Plenty of kalabao running around too. Alright, I'm gonna try and ride that thing.
Ato bang Didi? Ato bang Didi? Woo!
At least one time in your life, you've got to get out and do things that people don't normally do. Eat new things, see new things, experience things that people don't usually get to experience. And Leyte is the perfect place to do all of that.